మనుగడకు ఆధారం చెట్టు నాటండి వేల వేలుగా నేల ఈనినట్టు ఈ నేల
Afternoon all, this is Suchitra, first Form D, NSS volunteer of Guide School of Pharmacy. In the part of green activities in campus, we have experienced the nature by the open classroom system. We, the people of NSS volunteers, in sprawling 300 acres green pollution-free guide institutions, we discovered that 60 species of plants are there in our campus. We noticed that 34 people are working for gardening and sprinkler systems are used for the growth of plants. On the second day, we planted trees with our principal sir. It's a great opportunity for us for conducting these 4-day green activities with Green Club team. I am very thankful to our principal sir and staff. Thank you.